Hello.
Hi Sonia, how would you like to interact? First option is gesture, listen, read and talk mode, and second option is gesture, read and talk mode.
Option 1.
Here are a list of political candidates.
Cursor. As per the list, which of this candidate is addressing the important issues of the community?
Mr. Aston has solved the important issue of community, including unemployment and electricity breakage. Would you like to know anything more about that candidate?
Yes. What is his previous performances and qualification?
Past performance. AS did not work for their members. GST stood with their people. IGS fulfilled their promises made in last elections. Performance comparison. AS failed in delivering. GST performance was satisfied. IGS performed better than all of the parties. Party plan. AST's plan is to reduce unemployment. GST's plan is to increase literacy rate of the nation. IGS's plan is to make education free and development of country. Here is a security voting. The cameras are switched on. You can vote for more than one candidate.
Cursor.
You've voted for the first candidate. Want to apply for voter's tax card? Voters can raise any issue of their society. Voters can be part of society's well-being. Voters can decide on the nation's leadership. Voters can get reduced taxes.
Okay, but how can voters play a key role in country's development?
Voting or voters can help in evolving the democracy and in bringing the change.
Thank you.
You can apply for voter's tax card or check your voting status.
Okay, I want to apply for the tax card.
You will receive your tax card through your email, WhatsApp or Telegram. You can choose your participation in social activities, 1,000 plus jobs for registered voters or 200 paid programs.
Okay, I would like to explore the paid programs. Please select this through hand cursor gesture.
Please confirm your participation.
Yes.
List of paid programs confirmed. Great move.
Goodbye.